So I just got replacement bed rail caps in. It took a little bit of work to get these ones off, get the tonneau cover off, and it didn't want to come loose. So I had to take the bed rail mounts off first, get the tonneau cover off, and then the bed rail cap just snapped out. So you can see here where they just kind of locks in place. So I prefer just to not have all these holes, but just bedline this top part, but then I have to cover up all these holes. So I got this nice new replacement part here, and that's just gonna snap right on. Look a lot better, just snaps in place. And I gotta do the other side. The bed rail cap's off. You can tell there's a lot of dirt and gross stuff underneath there. I gotta get that cleaned off so it doesn't stay there and cause some damage, and snap the new one on. One thing I would suggest here when getting these put on is there's one alignment notch here, and that has got to be perfectly in line, otherwise this whole thing is not going to go on. So as long as you get that in place, then the rest of it will just snap on. So I'll check down here, make sure it's all nice and flat. Looks like it's flat. Alright, now I gotta put that tonneau cover back on. Yeah, it's not hot out today. About 100 and 105 degrees for a high. You know what you should do? Work outside. These need to be replaced. These are all uneven, worn, and just makes it ride super bad. So gonna replace these. We got some Bridgestone Dueler Revo 3s, and get them mountain balanced. Finally got these tires on. Look much better. Hopefully they're gonna be all balanced, because the last ones don't look like they were. They had, I don't know, like 3 ounces of weight at least on each one. So look much better. Those will work. But now, gotta get rid of some old tires I've been stacking up. Gotta take these down to a tire shop somewhere and pay a disposal fee and get rid of them. Alright, that'll be it for today. Like and subscribe, leave a comment.